Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below before you leave. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, it's another What's for Dinner. Normally I don't come on here and do a big intro, but today's a special What's for Dinner because it is in a collab with my awesome, amazing friend, Mandy from Mandy in the Making. She's also doing a What's for Dinner. Her What's for Dinners are amazing. She cooks the yummiest food. So you guys make sure you head on over and check her out. Let her know you came from my channel, show her some love, and hopefully you guys can get some awesome dinner ideas from her as well. If you are coming over from Mandy's channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed today's What's for Dinner, so let's hop in and get started. So on the first night, we are making homemade Taco Bell chicken quesadillas. These were so yummy, and I had never tried the Taco Bell creamy sauce before. They're like jalapeno sauce, and it turned out awesome. So I will leave the recipe down below. That's what I'm making here. It's just that creamy jalapeno Taco Bell, mock sauce. And so, like I said, I will leave the recipe down below. I won't go into detail here. So these were really easy to make. All I did was make that sauce, and then I'm going to heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan and get that all nice and hot. And then to prepare my quesadilla, I used large flour tortillas. On half of it, I put the jalapeno sauce. And then I used this awesome Queso quesadilla cheese by Great Value. You can find it at Walmart. And then so I just put that on top of the sauce. And then a little trick, use a rotisserie chicken because they are already cooked for you and they're already full of so much flavor. You can use whatever flavor you want to, and then you just shred it and put it on top of that cheese. Flip your tortilla over and then stick it in that hot oil. And then once it's nice and crispy on one side, of course, you just flip it over. And that's literally it. It is the easiest thing to make. And like I said, they were so delicious. Also wanted to mention, if you make any of my dinners, make sure you tag me or send me a picture over on Instagram. I love seeing that and sharing that with everybody over on Instagram. My Instagram is just the Welders Wife XO. So make sure you're following me there.
Again, we always stay this way, and how I wanna build my whole world with you and no one else, and how our love will make us so much better, and there will be no lonely nights, baby, if you let me try.
Another tip when cutting these, something so easy on how to cut these, is use a pizza cutter. It was made it the easiest thing ever. Also wanted to let you guys know, if you are new, I always leave a shopping list and the recipe down below in the description box. So if you are looking for anything like that, always check the description box. So I just made some Mexican rice and refried beans, but I didn't need any beans. I just had a side of salsa with mine. Like I said, they turned out delicious. So on the next night, I totally cheated, mom hack, working mom hack. I made tuna helper this night. I was so exhausted, and Toby was out of town working, of course, and so I just made tuna helper. He hates tuna, so whenever he's gone, I try to make this because it is really good. So I just followed directions on the back of the box, heated up some corn, and the kids and I had dinner.
I'm never gonna give you up, no, I ain't giving you up, no, giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up, I gave up and tried, giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up.
So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Of course, if you've ever had hamburger helper, tuna helper, whatever, you know what it looks like. This was the cheesy one as well. And like I said, we just had a side of corn with it. So on the next night, I'm making something super easy as well. You guys know, if you're new to my channel, I am a working mom. My husband travels for work. He's a welder, obviously. And so I'm very budget and quick dinners. Sometimes if I have extra time, like on the weekends, I'll cook big meals, but most of the time it's just quick, easy things. So on this night, I'm making a sausage, cabbage, potato skillet. All I did was take some cabbage and cut it up, put it into my pan with a little bit of oil, cut up my potatoes, and then I cut up my hot sausage, and that's it. I literally just cooked it until it was nice and tender and everything was done, and that was what we had for dinner. I didn't make any sides with it because you've got your meat and you've got your veggie and you've got potatoes. You've got everything you need in there. No bread, but we're not big on bread, so. And then this is what it looked like, and I topped mine with some mustard. So you guys, it's literally so easy to put together, and it's absolutely delicious. So on the last night, I made homemade potato soup. This is the easiest potato soup, and it is the yummiest potato soup recipe I've ever tried. So all you're going to do is take 3 cans of chicken broth. I used one of those little cardboard things and then 1 can. You can do that, or you can just use 3 cans. And then a frozen bag of the Great Value Southern Hashbrowns. They're just cubed potatoes. They're just the frozen kind. So I added that in there as well, and then a can of cream of celery soup. You can use cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of mushroom, whatever you want to use, you can use it in your recipe. And then I added about a tablespoon of pepper, and then I'm going to chop up as many onions as you want. We're not huge onion eaters. I mean, I am, but the kids and stuff don't really like them that much. So I just chopped that up and put it in there. And then when it gets nice and tender, when the potatoes get nice and tender and it starts to thicken up, all you're going to do is add a cube of cream cheese. And then once the cream cheese is all melted, your potato soup is done. So it's really easy. And then I also like to cube up my cream cheese. I like to slice it up because I feel like it melts easier and faster that way. So that's just what I'm showing you guys here, is how I just cube that up. So we just served ours with a side of grilled cheese with some cheese and bacon bits on the soup. So good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Let it shine on you.